Hello everyone. In this video, I'm going to show you how to try and get your money back from Zelle if you've been scammed. Let's get started. If you've been scammed while using Zelle, there's a process you can follow to try and recover your money. First, go to zellepay.com and navigate to the support section. From there, select the option to report a scam. You'll then need to choose the category that best fits your situation. For example, merchandise, property, jobs, imposters, charity, investment, or romance. After you've selected the right category, fill in all the required details and then submit your request. This process notifies Zelle of the scam and starts the review process for potential reimbursement. Following these steps gives you at least a chance of getting your money back. And that's it. Make sure to stay informed and be cautious so you can avoid scams in the future. Thanks for watching. By the way, if you're tired of paying high fees moving money around, Wise is one of the best ways to do it. I use it myself to send and receive money with some of the lowest fees out there. Plus, you get free virtual and physical debit cards that work globally. Right now, you can grab an exclusive offer. Your first transfer up to $800 is completely free with zero fees. Create your free Wise account today using the link below.